Here I am to worship. Here I am to bow down.
But he has a kingdom purpose. Say kingdom purpose. To expand the kingdom of God. Thankful for your king here in Dubai, but there's a King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, and his name, Jesus. He would give him greater influence with the sinners, with the local Arab community. When I read the Bible, God, you're going to speak to me. At night, you're going to give me dreams and visions.
Come on, let's lift our praise.